Start next quiz. All right, what is string concatenation? When you change a variable's value, when you assign a string to a variable, when you join strings together, when you print a string to the console, when you join strings together. Okay, what is the outcome of the statement console.log hi.length? Okay, so if you guys recall, .length actually just sums up the amount of characters within that string. So that's going to be number 3. What is the correct way to declare a new variable that you can change? If you guys recall, it's the let variable. And let's just see, let my name equals Sloan, let my name colon Sloan. So let my name equals Sloan. This is the correct way. What will the following code print to the console? Let num equal 10, num multiplied equal 10. So if you guys recall, when you reassign the variable, multiply equal by 3, it's going to times that variable by 3. So 3 times 10, in other words, is 30. So console.log num is going to equal 30. Okay, which of the following is an example of a single line comment? Okay, so // is this a comment? This is an example of a single line comment. What are variables used for in JavaScript? For storing or holding data, for changing a value's data type, for changing language settings. What are variables used for in JavaScript? Okay, so for storing and holding data. What is string interpolation? Using template literals to embed variables into strings, printing a string to the console, changing the value of a variable, joining multiple strings together using operators like plus. Using template literals to embed variables into strings. What is the correct way to call the random method on the math global object? If you guys recall, uppercase math dot random. Which of the following code snippets would cause an error? Okay. This one cause an error. No. Const food. This will cause an error because you cannot reassign a constant variable food and reassign it to sushi from chicken because it's a constant, you're using a constant variable. So you need to use a let variable in order to reassign food to sushi. Right, so it's definitely this one. What is the correct way to call a string's built-in method? Okay, so Codecademy dot to uppercase Codecademy, to uppercase Codecademy dot to uppercase. So this is the correct way. What is the outcome of the following code snippet? Console.log hello world. Hello world is printed to the console. Hello world is stored as a variable. Log hello world is printed to the console. Hello world is printed to the console. Okay, moving on.